Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be opening these cars today, and in the next few videos I'm going to be opening up these cars. Except for this Chevelle, because someone might want it. I have someone who wants to trade for it, and if they don't have anything, then I'll probably open it. So yeah, let's get back to it. Just gonna open this one first real quick. Vampire Van, Frightening Lightnings. It's an old car, all beat up. Got this on Reddit from Hot Wheels Man for Pops. That's also his YouTube channel name. I forgot to open this in the video where I opened all the stuff from the box, so I'm just gonna do it now. All yellowed packaging because it's so old. It's got this like pin. It's pretty cool. Vampire Van. It's made out of like cardboard or something, I think. Pretty cool card. Metal base, metal body. Oh, and they finally did some rubber tires instead of two-piece plastic. That's pretty cool though. Pretty funny, just weird little wacky car. There's the casket in the back if you can see it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And this is the real big boy, the Hot Wheels Real Riders VW drag bus. I think I probably paid like 3 or 4 for that, and I paid 20 for this. Also from the Hot Wheels Man for Pops. It's a pretty cool car. It's almost mint. It's got this and this, and then the rest is like perfect. Here's the back, number 5811. Probably read that if you want to. From 2006. Alright, this is pretty cool. Let's open it. Maybe. Oh, it's on there good. Boom. There's the card. Wow. Of course, it opens up and it's got this awesome engine and then like a little roll cage. Got these cool BF Goodrich tires. Shiny. Wow, really nice color. The front's all detailed, the rear is all detailed. It rolls good. Wow, that's just super pretty car. I like the flat white on the roof, like just pure, nothing fancy. That's kind of a cool color on the inside. Maybe they could do a car in that color, where it's like slightly blue tinted. Metal base, metal body. I used to have a bunch of these, but then I got rid of them. I still have the first edition one. I've got the Rick and Morty premium one, the Moon Eyes premium one from the Boulevard recently, and I've got the mail-in drag truck. Pretty soon I'll have the Candy Striper one. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or trade it, but yeah. So I'm going to put this in the light box, take a couple pictures of it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.